guys, I haven't done a video in so long because I've been so busy, and you guys can see I'm in a new house. I moved. Can you guys believe that? But today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. Bye. Alright, so the first slime I named this Pink Foam Beads. And it's named Pink Foam Beads. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so this name of the slime is Pink Foam Beads. And yeah, Pink Foam Beads. And I'm in school since today. I got sick and now I'm better, so I don't know. I just wanted to do a YouTube video because I got a new iPad, so I'm doing I'm doing the video on it. It's just okay, and I started with containers. Some of them have good containers. I remember this slime, okay. I remember that one is so long. So I might have more slime, so I gotta go look. So yeah, this is called Pink Foam Bead Slime. Okay? Pink Foam Bead Slime. So here, I think this is my Tide slime, right? Let's check. This is my butter slime. It's kind of like a butter slime. But it's a slime. It's kind of a butter slime. It's a butter slime kind of. This was so soft. Oh, I want some. Okay. Yes, this is a butter slime, I believe. I did some ASMR. Bubble test.
Too old. What about it was when it was too old?
Too old, really? I thought they could still last a long time.
Ticket too old. It's
Right.
180 something days it can last for.
Oh, maybe it's older than that? Wow. It's old.
What day was that?
Maybe something they want to make and it's too old.
What was I doing?
They just make it tight. Seven.
You sure I have good eyes?
3 years, wait a minute. Oh no, March 2017, couldn't be that old, that's not even a year.
It's too old. Maybe I was away from
Well, I would think, what are the rules? I
So
thought
this is a store-bought hoodie
yeah, I know, it's made for a scanner,
that
but you still should be able to look the number up, you know what I'm saying?
Let me check.
For that date.
I might just play with it a little
I
bit.
would, I don't think, I think they're
Do
good
some
for a year.
ASMR.
Yeah, 180.
Well, that's only half a year, yeah, it is
Let me do some
too old.
ASMR. Okay, this
So that is
doesn't do no
nice.
ASMR, but
Well,
I still like it
186
because
days,
it's for the
that's it?
squish, you know? I like stuff like that.
Huh.
But that's why I bought it, because I love it.
Ooh,
Absolutely.
almost winter.
It's not hot. Just keep on going with these kinds. So this is, I think,
182 days?
Willa must claim within 182 days
Really?
of the drawing.
Crazy.
Okay. Let me just make some more. This might not give a good ASMR. Oh my god, this stuff is loose. Okay. Let's do some ASMR. Okay, that was a good ASMR. Let's go to the berry bubbles. That's it for that one, but I was usually done with it. Right. Oh, this is my thing slime that's really rippable. Slime is too rippable for me. Oh, it got stretchy, kind of. Let's do some. Well, this is a clear slime, so. Okay, you guys heard the bubbles? Okay, and this is my favorite one. Well, kind of my favorite one too. It's slash favorite. This is the best ASMR sometimes. Wait. This is one of my best slimes. Not in the whole world, but I have a best slime. Oh no, this one's still kind of bubbly, but that's okay. I thought this would be clear by this video. Let's do some ASMR. I don't know what to name this video. Okay, sorry, I just played with the slime for too long. Mommy, can you turn on back the light?
Hold on.
Mommy, can you move out the light, please? Mommy. Okay, that's better. Alright. Time to kick slime. Alright, so here's a purple clear slime. It's not exactly clear. I did it with the purple glittery slime. Glittery glue. It came with a slime starter pack. I didn't come enough with the cushion bars. And I have my own just in case some of them are sticky. I just have this. I don't think none of them are, but I just kept everything just in case. Let's do some ASMRs. Silicone cheese so. Comment down below what slime you like in this video. I'm like, what is the container? Where is the container? How's it fit? And one of these. And I'm like, oh wait, yeah, I have this. So here's the last and final slime of thing. This is not supposed to be already clear, but it was for tomorrow. It's going to. I feel like this is the best ASMR so far. that's all my slimes for today's video. And hope to see you guys next time. Bye.